So today we are going to talk about a network security tool called network shell, network shell or net shell. I say net. So network shell is a powerful network security built into in Windows that help network administrators to configure, that is, do the settings of a network, manage network, and troubleshoot network when there's a problem. So we are going to use network shell to view our saved Wi-Fi password. So before we will use this tool, let's open run by Windows Windows plus R. So Windows plus R will just open a run for you. So Windows plus R, then type in CMD. So the CMD, you have to run it at administrator because some kind of commands need higher privilege. So if you don't have that level of privilege, that command won't work. So that's the best way we can do this thing, by running it as administrator. So you can run it as administrator by holding shift plus control plus enter. Shift plus control plus enter. That will just help you with the prompt so that you accept it. Okay, so right now we are going to check a tool called net and I said network shell. So so you can press enter to check the the tool itself. So it will be like small thing like that, and you can use slash question mark to check what you can do with it. So you can see that we are having a lot of things here, a lot of commands, a lot of commands, a lot of commands, a lot of commands. But right now, what we are going to do with is you're going to go with wireless LAN, wireless LAN. So WLAN means wireless local area network. So WLAN means wireless, wireless local area network. So WLAN is about wireless area network. That's where the Wi-Fi issue comes in. So we are going to move from. I'm going to use that too. So just type um sorry, just type WLAN and then press enter again. So let me make everything clear for you. So just type net and then WLAN and then enter again. So upon running net WLAN is a kind of command that we can also add to the script. So we can have show. So we're using show to display the information about our wireless network. Okay, so let me clear the terminal and then go again. So next LAN, wireless LAN show. So we are going to show what we don't know. So let's say net wireless local area network show. So you have a lot of show here. You have show all, So show all show complete wireless device and network information, and then we can have show blocked network or a whole lot of things concerning our wireless area wireless local area network. So right now let me do show all and let's see. So next local wireless local area network show all. You see a whole lot of things are happening here, a whole lot of things, everything concerning our wireless local area network. Every information is here. Every information, the saved Wi-Fi password, a whole lot of information are here, and there's not a time for us to go through each and everything here. So we are going to do a short one here. So we have the drivers interface. That's a Wi-Fi. That's what we are going to deal with right now. And then wireless LAN settings. We are not going there right now. So what we are going to do is user profiles. That's a Wi-Fi that we have a hotspot that we have connected to it some days back. So that's what we are going to do. So I have connected to a lot of network, a lot of network, a lot of network. So all these people have connected to my machine before. So we are going to check the password of one profile here. Okay. So let me pick one profile. Let me pick the name of one profile and then let's use it for the particles. Okay, so let me pick um profile. Let me pick Fifteen as a profile, okay? Or let me even pick Infinite Hot 1040i as a divider connected to my network some days back. So let me clear the terminal to make everything clean here. So I'll press enter. So then we use CLS to clear terminal. Keep it to clear the terminal. So we use it to clear terminal. So we will go again. Next wireless local area network show profile. So show profile, and then we are going to put it in quote the name of the profile. So shift, and then I could use control plus V to paste what I copied. So now I'm telling it there shouldn't be, okay, let me use that for example. You see there shouldn't be a space here. I intentionally did it. There's a space here and there's a small space here. That's why they are giving us error. So let me take the space out, make sure there's no space here. Okay, so next wireless area network show profile. So the name of the profile will come. So that's it. So Infinix Hot 40i was last time connected to my network. There's the information about it. But what we are interested in is the security settings part. You see, it's using WPA2 personal, and then security key is present. It means that there is a password on this network. So I won't go for this practical is to check the key, that's the password of this Wi-Fi. Okay, so let me clear the terminal again, and then we are going again. So the same thing. Next wireless local area network, show profile, the profile name comes, and then here is a trick here. You're going to use the word key, sorry, space key, then sorry, it should be equal to clear. So we are setting the key, the password. We are setting it to be clear. It means that don't encrypt anything. Just show me the information there. Okay, and then we press enter. So we can see for a device called Infinix for 40i is having a password called only 1234567 8. Very simple password, right? Very simple. So even if the person didn't tell me that password was 1234578, I can still get to know. So let's check another password again. Let me check another password again. So show. I want to check only the profile, so I can just use. I'll be like next review land show profiles only, and it will show me all the passwords saved here, all the username connected to all the Wi-Fi I've connected to. So let me pick one iPhone. Okay, let me use Techno Spark 40C. Let me copy Techno Spark 40C. Sorry, 40C, and then let's check the password of that. So I'll just insert it in. Don't worry, I won't write anything again. Let's go into insert it the same, and then enter again. You see, also it's having a password, even though there's no password, so it was even if written rather. So security key is absent. Security key is even absent, so there's no password on that. And that's one Wi-Fi that has a password. So let them go again. Show profiles. Let me pick let's see, Vodafone mobile Wi-Fi. So let me copy this one. Okay. So let's check it out again. So I'll just insert it again with the name and then enter. Okay. So this profile or this network that connected to my device, my Wi-Fi, is having a password of JB have a password of this, password of that. So that's how we check a saved Wi-Fi password on our machine. Okay, saved Wi-Fi password on our machine. So that's all for today. We will continue to do practical about it. Thank you for watching.